Hello, and welcome to my channel. I am Srishti, and this channel is all about recommendations. I talk about my recommendations from the YouTube space, be it YouTube creators to watch, YouTube channels to follow, YouTube videos that I've enjoyed watching, or the books that I've loved reading, and anything and everything to do with everything that I love, like productivity, finance, travel, etc. In today's video, I'll be talking about all the content that I've loved watching in the month of August. And before getting on further with the video, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification along with it so that you're notified each time I publish a new video. And let's get started. This month, unlike last month, I've watched a lot of random stuff on YouTube, like a lot of comedy shows, a lot of daily vlogs, just because I had like really long working hours, so I didn't want to spend a lot of time learning new things as such, because I was mentally exhausted by the time I started watching things. So it's going to be a mixture of like random stuff, a lot of random stuff, so stay tuned. First, a bunch of videos on my list. Like I mentioned, I watched a lot of comedy stuff, so while I was looking for a lot of comedy stuff on YouTube, I came across this old series of like a series called Relationship Advice by Ronak Rajani, and it's a series where a number of comics come together and just give random relationship advice to people who send in their queries. It's usually just with a comic angle that they bring. It's nothing like intellectually stimulating that you will find here, but it's just good fun to watch. I especially like the episode with Angad, Punya, and I don't remember the other two people. There were two other people, Ronak and this other guy. I totally forgot his name, but great episode to watch, just laugh. And so if you're looking for content just to watch for like comic purposes and for like just a respite, then just give it a try. I think you'll like it. The next two videos on my list are from this creator Ali Abdaal. Ali Abdaal, if you don't know, is a big time productivity and self-help content creator on YouTube. He has like 2 million, around 3 million followers on YouTube, and he creates amazing productivity content. I really enjoy watching his videos. So if you haven't checked him out and are interested in this space, then you can watch his videos. And for this video, I will be including two videos that I really loved watching in the month of August. One video is called 10 mental models that I use every day. So he talks about how these 10 thought processes and like probably just mindset shifts that he's brought into his life have really impacted the way he works and the way he functions. It's some of them I really resonated with the video, because some of these things that he mentioned have been thoughts in my head, but I have probably never found them as a trigger. But when he mentioned it, it came to me that yeah, if this is how we could work it. So that is very interesting. That was very interesting to watch, for me at least. The next video on my list in a similar space is this video by Captain Sinbad. Captain Sinbad is again a YouTuber who does a variety of content, like from productivity to all to like video making and all different types of content basically he does. And I have watched a few of his videos in the past as well, but the video that really stuck out to me this time again in a similar space was how he manages his time working as a full-time consultant along with YouTube. So it really, again, like he spoke about how he manages his time, how he basically makes time for things he wants to do apart from his full-time job, which is that of a consultant. And if you don't already know, jobs of consultants are pretty tough. Like they are very tough, as in like they're pretty time consuming. So for anybody to be able to do something along with it as an alternate career is not very easy. And he talks about things that have helped him sustain his alternate career along with his full-time profession. And if you are basically struggling with maintaining a side hustle, then probably this video will really help you. The next two videos on my list are videos from the fashion and beauty space, which I used to consume a lot of content in the space in the like previously, but I have kind of like stopped consuming a lot of content in the recent times, because A, I don't really have anywhere to go, B, I probably am not really interested in it as much as I was before, but these videos really stuck out to me again. There were some reasons. The first video on my list is this video by Sejal Kumar. Sejal Kumar again is a very big Indian fashion influencer, and she made this video called My Last Makeup Tutorial. I think she also made another video called My Last Styling Video or something of that sort. And I think I clicked on the video because of the title. It's kind of really like wants you to watch it if you've been following her, which I have. So I clicked on the video and I started watching the video. I more than the makeup tutorial, I think I was interested in what she was saying, how she thinks that she wants to move away from creating a lot of like makeup, beauty, fashion content. Not really move away from this kind of content, but just probably be more wise and be more mindful while making such content, because as we have like most of us, for I think for most of us, as we're growing older and more aware, we are kind of getting to know about the ill effects of consuming so much, or probably not just in terms of sustainability but in terms of your own mental health. How you, if you start buying a lot of things, it really does not really bring any joy with it. So she talks about all these things and how she kind of like contradicts her own ideas, and how she's been retraining her mind and things like that. And that really resonated with me because I think I'm in a similar space. So yeah, I really enjoyed watching her video. The next video in the similar space is this video by Sana Grover, where she talks about how to style neutrals. So I have been a person who's always loved wearing like colorful clothes, and I've really been interested in color in general. Like I really like colorful things like bright colors, bright pink, bright yellow, stuff like that. But off late I have been like gravitating a lot towards neutrals, and she shared a lot of like tips to style neutral colors. And she really talks about like color palettes and like textures and stuff like that, which is really interesting to watch, because it's not just a random styling video which you would not be able to replicate, but it comes with a lot of tips and tricks which you can easily imbibe into your life. The next video on my list is not actually a video, it's a channel that I came across this month. It's called An Open Comment, and I came across this because they have like really short videos, like 4-minute, 5-minute, 6-minute videos, where they talk about how like really things that we know came about happening. Like things, I am probably not putting it in the correct manner. Like I'll just give you an example. I saw this video about the Nirma girl. If you already know, like this ad campaign that blew up in the early 2000s, late 90s, where of washing powder Nirma. So like how it came about, what's the story behind it, how the brand came up, stuff like that, and within 4 or 5 minutes. So if you're interested in marketing and stuff like that, it's great. He also has this video about the TVF and how TVF videos do so well, and what is how they strike a chord with so many people. So if you're interested in that angle of like just building a story, then I think it's a great channel for you to watch. Moving on to my next video that I really enjoyed was this video on Random Chicky Mom's channel. It's a part of the series called Random Musings that Kumar Varun hosts with other creators and other like comic artists and his friends basically. I specifically like this episode with Srimay Das, and in this video they spoke a lot about like their growing up years. Like most Random Musings episodes talk about like the life journey of the person who Kumar Varun invites, and it was really interesting to watch because Srimay talks about how she comes from this exceptionally intelligent family, and how she chose not to follow like the basic engineering, medical, medicine, economics path, but chose something very different, and how she like made a career out of it. This entire series really focuses on just people's normal lives. It's not really blowing it out of proportion in the sense that how people became successful and stuff like that, but just really normal people talking about their normal lives, but how you can find a lot of valuable things and valuable takeaways from that. There's a sense of resonance that you can draw from these interviews. So if you would like to watch something like that, then you should check out this series. And I really enjoyed watching this episode specifically. The next video on my list is a video from my all-time favorite Sherry Shroff. She made this video finally after a very long time with her husband Vaibhav Talwar, and it was a mukbang video. I really like watching all her mukbang videos, and I really enjoy watching all her videos with her husband. They used to run a channel called Coupling as well. I have really enjoyed watching that channel too. But this video was on a part of like on her own channel, and she just interviewed him, and like it was really nice to watch both of them together after such a long time. So if you're a Sherry Shroff fan, then do check out the video. I'm sure you've already checked it out, but in case you haven't, then click away, the link is in the description box. The next video on my list is another video from another one of my favorites, favorite YouTubers, that is Saloni Srivastava. Saloni Srivastava put out this video about 5 lessons that she's learned about minimalism in the past 5 years. So I'm in no way a minimalist, but I am really been like into that idea since like 2-3 years, and I've been studying about it, and I have been kind of trying to reduce my consumption habits, but like it's been in vain, but I have been trying to do that, and I have been able to like not buy certain things at all anymore, and I'm going to make a separate video on that. For now, I really enjoyed watching that video because if you are somebody who is toying with the idea of minimalism, then you can check this out because it will give you a deeper sense into that idea from somebody who has experienced her life as living like a minimalist. And with Saloni, the thing is that I absolutely trust her content because her content is absolutely truthful, is what it seems to me, and I have been following her since 2-3 years, so I do bank upon her ideas as well. The next video on my list is from this creator called Shruti Shiva. Again, I have spoken about her in one of my previous videos. I think one of my favorite lifestyle creators, part 2 of that video. I'm going to link it in the eye or in the description box. All the links are going to be there. This video is called Diane Tony Chudel. I think that's the order. But I think one thing that's really stands apart for this channel is the way she conceptualizes video, the way she like shoots them. Everything is just so different. It's not just any other lifestyle creator creating a video. So this video basically is like an awareness video of sorts, but in a very different manner that she's put the point forward. Awareness in the sense that how women are basically blamed for a lot of things, especially in the rural areas in India. And she talks about the various statistics around that as well. So do check that video out. I would really urge you to, because it is something to think about and something to ponder over for sure. The next series of videos on my list, I would probably not call these videos, but a creator I've recently been enjoying watching is this creator called Shivangi Pittisaria. She creates a lot of like food videos and like what I eat in a day, what I eat in a week, and 24 hours of eating just a particular type of food, a lot of food videos basically. And these are like really raw videos. Like she just has a voiceover and she just shoots like you won't see her face most of the time. It's just her shooting how she's making the video and then her enjoying the food, but it's really nice to watch. I don't know what I really like about it. I find her voiceovers really like her voice is really nice, I feel. And apart from that, I love watching food, like what's not there to like. So yeah, if you are somebody who likes basic easy recipes as well, then it's a good channel to watch because she does share some of her recipes while she's shooting and while she's recording the videos. The next video on my list is this video from Akshat Srivastava. Akshat Srivastava is a creator who creates videos on career, finance, and stuff around this space. And this video I'm talking about is this video called "Is Market Crash About to Come?" or something of that sort. It's titled as. So if you've been following the personal finance space on YouTube, a lot of people have been talking about how the market is probably in a bubble and it's going to crash soon. And he basically talks about around that entire rumor of sorts. He has basically built this video on another video. Like, he basically kind of takes up content from another video by that, which is an interview by Ashwath Damodaran that he gave to CNBC, I think. And Ashwath Damodaran, if you don't know, is a valuation expert. So he's tried to break down whatever he said in his interview and make it, like, just build it out in an easy manner for you to watch and for you to be able to understand easily. I am a layman, so it was very easy for me to grasp whatever Ashwath Damodaran has said in his video. He's just like broken it down into bits and pieces. So if you follow the personal finance space, it's a great video to watch for you. And last but not the least on my list is this channel that I came across this month. It's my favorite channel. I've literally saved the best for the last. It's this channel called Honey I'm Home. It's run by this gay couple, Devesh and Atulan, and they just talk about LGBTQ awareness, travel, and just their lives in general. And it's really, really nice to watch if you're somebody who likes a lot of mush. So it's a great channel to watch. I literally binged watch all their videos in like one night. So yeah, I really love them. I have started following them on Instagram, and now I'm like hooked onto their videos and whatever they're posting. I really love them as a couple, so I'm rooting for them literally. If you like all things mush, then I'm sure you love watching this channel. Moving on, I think those are all the videos that I watched on YouTube that I loved watching. The next two things that I'm going to talk about are some of my favorites from the OTT space. Modern Love Season 2 came out and I really enjoyed watching a few of the episodes. I haven't watched the complete show as of now. I am taking it slow, but I really enjoyed episode 1 and episode 3. So if you like watching love stories, then it's a great show for you. I'm sure you've already know about it. So that was all the content that I've loved watching in the month of August. My August favorites, if you may call it. I'm going to be linking all the videos in the description box so that you can get easy access and just click on it and don't have to search for all the videos. If you liked watching my video, do not forget to hit the like button and share the video with as many people as possible. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell notification along with it so that you're notified each time I publish a video. And also consider following me on Instagram. I share a lot of my epiphanies from life and just random things that are going on, and a lot of my travel content if and when that happens on Instagram, so consider following me there too.